'Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, baby. This life, this life, this life. So let's drink to everything that we've been through.
We are in our tour bus and we're driving to Ninh Binh. Going there.
We're going to the Pagoda. There it is, there it is, there it is.
First we went to Bai Dinh Temple, which is the largest temple complex in Vietnam, and it's a really popular place for Buddhist pilgrimages.
Touch for luck. Healthy, happy, wealthy.
Everything's so far away.
Biggest bell and drum in Vietnam at the moment. So with the heavy the bell weighs 36 tons and the drum weighs 50 tons.
Wow, that's...
Only bring once a year. Once a year.
And Lara will ring it that once.
No, welcome the VIP people. You should inform for everybody that knows that you are VIP.
Yes,
Within the complex, there's a bell tower with a huge drum underneath. During special occasions, people drop money onto the drum and then scramble underneath to collect fallen cash.
Okay, we're going into Ladies Buddha's Pagoda. Is this Lady Buddha's Pagoda?
I believe so. That's what we were just talking about, so I assume
I don't know the exact name, but it's something to do with Ladies Pagoda.
It's originally a Chinese Buddha.
Okay.
Bai Dinh is home to numerous golden statues of the Buddha. This is one of the most famous with its 1,000 eyes and hands. The 1,000 eyes are to see all the suffering, and the arms are to give help to those in need.
There's big stairs. It's so good, one of these.
The things on the right, on the wall.
Reached the top of the stairs. We ran up. Well, I ran up.
I started and then the stairs are so big.
Yeah.
I had to kind of slow down.
And here it is, the main Bai Dinh Pagoda. This is amazing. After Bai Dinh, we headed to the Trang An Eco-Tourism Site, an amazing geological area full of caves and waterways. It's sometimes called Ha Long Bay on land, and many of the caves have been enlarged to accommodate boats.
Oh, so exciting. We're going into those caves up ahead. We're going into these caves.
We took a 2-hour boat trip paddled by a local woman, but we didn't realise until we were getting off that we needed to tip her, about 25,000 dong per person. The caves are best enjoyed during golden hour so that you can avoid the heat in the middle of the day.
This is called the Sang Cave, the Hang Sang, the Sang Cave.
Oh, very low, very low.